Hey, what's up guys? David here from Dignited. Today I want to show you how to connect and use your Amazon Firestick with your Roku Smart TV. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so if you're rocking a Roku Smart TV, you can elevate your streaming game by integrating an Amazon Firestick. Currently, I'm using a fantastic TCL Roku Smart TV alongside my trusty Amazon Firestick 3rd generation. Now, combining these two powerhouses is a game changer. Roku TV brings a blend of simplicity, flexibility, and rock-solid stability to the table. Its extensive compatibility with leading streaming platforms and diverse device selection makes it a crowd favorite. Meanwhile, Amazon's Fire TV shines with its tight integration within the Amazon ecosystem, offering cost-effective device choices and widespread support across numerous streaming platforms. Alright, that said, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of getting your Firestick and Roku TV in sync. Now, here's what you need to do. The first thing that you want to do is to plug in your Firestick into one of the available HDMI ports on your Roku Smart TV. Remember which port you chose, as you need it later to switch inputs. Then turn on your Roku Smart TV as you normally would. Now it's time to power on your Firestick. You can opt to plug it into the wall socket, or you can use one of your TV's USB ports, and this is really my favorite go-to option because it's a lot more convenient to use my TV's USB port. Then, using your Roku remote, simply hit that home button and then navigate to settings and then select TV inputs. Now identify the HDMI input connected to your Firestick. For my case, I went with HDMI 1, but for your case it could be something different. So just take note of the HDMI input port that you've connected your Firestick. You can give it a personalized name like Firestick or Fire TV. For my case, I chose Fire TV because it's a lot more memorable. And further, you can actually now select an icon that resonates with the device. So I went with this icon that looks like a streaming box. Now your Roku Smart TV will showcase this HDMI port's name directly on your home screen, which makes it super easy to know where your Firestick is actually connected. Alright, now return to the home screen and then select the newly named Firestick HDMI input. Now when you select that, it will start the Firestick and you should be able to navigate to its home screen. Alright, with your Firestick started, you can now connect your Firestick to the same Wi-Fi network as your Roku Smart TV is connected to, and then you'll be streaming in no time. However, there is something that you need to know here, and that is you'll be using the Firestick remote going forward, as the Roku remote won't control the Firestick. I really don't like this part, however, I think it's a small inconvenience for the cool features that you will have. Alright. Another thing to note is the Firestick remote, with the exception of the Firestick Lite 3rd generation, can actually control your Roku Smart TV. Now you can perform actions like powering on and adjusting the Roku Smart TV's volume without really reaching out to the TV's primary remote. But you'll need the Roku remote when you switch back to the Roku TV. Alright, now if you really prefer avoiding all this remote juggling completely, you can consider buying a universal remote that manages both your Roku TV and Amazon Firestick. There are a number of options on the market, but I tend to go with the Philips Universal Remote Control, which is currently priced at $19 on Amazon. That is an excellent choice if you want to streamline your experience. With your Firestick connected to your Roku Smart TV, you can now enjoy the best of both worlds. You can watch TV shows and movies and stuff on Roku, and you can also switch to Amazon Firestick and get the best of Amazon. Now, I did a comparison between Roku TV and Fire TV, and you can watch that video to see the differences between both platforms and where each platform has better strength over the other. You're all set to experience the synergy of the Amazon Firestick and the Roku TV. Now, if you're on Team Fire Smart TV, you can absolutely flip the script by connecting a Roku streaming stick to an Amazon-powered Smart TV, in the same way that we've connected the Amazon Firestick to a Roku Smart TV. Alright, there you have it. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss out on future videos about tech hacks and how-tos and guides. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.